example, we will analyze the following 12 stage construction excavation phases. We'll mention 1, 2, 3, and then 12. Phase 1 is excavation level A, excavation B, excavation C. Then you have the casting B, casting A, excavation D, casting C. Excavations E, F, and G for phases 9, 10, and 11. And last, phase 12, which is casting G. Silverfin is able to calculate different stages and save them as different files. This model would include the elastic response of the solid structure with the soil, surrounding soil. Also, the response of the concrete with time is modeled. Shrinkage, and creep. Now, Silverfin, we're going to show these shrinkage and creep. We'll now open the model. On the right, we see the materials and the color red and brown. Sand clay shown in time 0. This means this is the terrain in its original state, not including settlement. The activation time was 0. We also can see the clay, sand clay 1. In the activation time, we've shown a limit of 2 days. This represents a 2-day excavation period. Similarly, we continue on the different stages of excavation. We have a duration of 4 days, a duration of 6 days, and so on. In the concrete, you'll notice that we have an activation time of 8 days. This is the time expected for the concrete to be assigned and applied. We have defined several types of structural elements. As you can see in the mesh control. We have defined different types of load as phases. Each one of the phases are construction stages. and contain calendar time of construction. Again, this is a time at which the load will be applied in a calendar time. Well, let's see the results for different phases of construction. We start with phase 0. We're going to see the stresses in direction Y. We'll display the results by groups. Initial phase 0, which is the undisturbed soil. We see the phase where we remove the soil, phase 1, in zones A and B, as mentioned in the presentation. Similarly, we can visualize the stresses. For phase 1, notice that phase 1 we've already performed the excavation in zone A, as it was demonstrated in the presentation before. We call this gable left and gable right. Second phase is we do the excavation in the blue. Phase 3. Now extend the excavation from zone A to zone B. Observe the distribution of stresses of the terrain. The same process can be continued. We're going to look at phase 9. We see phase 9, how we remove the upper portion of the tunnel. The other areas have the concrete supporting the soil and the roof of the tunnel. Now phase 11. In this view, we have completed the excavation of the tunnel cavity. Notice how easy to use Civil 3ds is and the powerful features of viewing the progress of a construction in many stages.